KEF show. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Kimberly come to the farm today to see the animals. Okay, as you can see, she's saying hello to the ducks. Okay. She said, let's go and see the chicken.
Why are you going like this?
Okay.
Don't touch the phone! Did you touch the chicken?
Look at the chicken.
Come back, you two little pigeons. Hey, pigeon. Pigeon. Oh! You. Wait, oh, they just do. It nearly bit me. Let's go see somewhere else. Yeah, I want to see somewhere. Can we see something else? They don't know where to hide, so no hiding. They don't know where to hide. Look, let's see. Does it move?
No, it's just a bean can.
Bin can! Bin bear can! Oh. Seaweed there.
Hmm?
That's not
The dog
horse.
is coming.
I think I saw a
The goat is
tiger
coming.
there, or a lion. Oh, it looks like a tiger. I see a tiger.
Oh, they are fun, isn't
Let's
it?
go see the cow. I want to see the cow. Let's see the cow. One, 3, 2, 1. Excuse Kimberly. No, I want to see. Yeah, this is the bad way. I'm right. The other way. Hi, donkey. It's not really a donkey, it's a horse. And it's what? I can get. And I'm bothering.
Oh look, can you see there's someone riding a pony? Look, somebody's riding a pony.
And I could have paid for them.
It's not the here you can do it.
Mommy, can I try riding it? Can I try riding it?
No, you can't, Laura. But it's the owner, she's having a lesson or whatever. It's their pony, they own it. They don't do that, it's private, can you see? Private.
Is that better? Mommy, can
You should have a helmet as well.
we can't.
You've ridden a pony before.
Has Kimberly ridden a pony before?
No.
I have.
Don't run here.
Don't run if you fell off. So cute.
I don't know where the cows have gone. They were here, they've gone.
Yeah, that was true. The first. Like, subscribe, comment down below. KEF show. Kids are playing at the farm.
What did you say?
The view is beautiful. Can you see the view, or you're just running around?
Mommy, can we go up there? Can me and Kimberly play tag up there? Don't they?
KEF show at the farm, guys. Enjoy the view. Hussy! See the huts? It's a cute one like that.
What is it, Mama?
Or something. Or they put on his.
I think this will be.
Maybe this one's vicious.
What does that mean?
Means it will bite you. Look, they've covered his mouth.
Let me really
So he
bite
can't-
you and
he
you
can't
might
bite.
bite your finger. Ow! Oh! It might bite your finger. If it bites you, well, that's not bad. Oh. Why did you say so? Without stopping, because I'm going to show I
Cameras come back.
Oh, look, there's sheep. They run. Adora, you can look, there's sheep up here. Please.
I don't care.
No, we won't go too far up.
Okay, Kimberly, let's continue the race.
No. Are we going a little bit up?
Go! Adora!
Let me do the picture now. Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh, I'm going to get it now. I see something. What is it? Up there. I see it now. Let's go up there.
I think that's enough now, yeah?
What's
The dry pools, you see?
when I will be start getting down here. Oh, oh. I think I got a little bit too. I'll be the
Alright, that's
Kimberly, open.
That is the duck. Oh.
Oh look, I had enough of you treading on my car. Alright, look what you
Alright guys, off we go. Back. KEF show. Like, subscribe, comment down below. We come to the Mile farm. Okay guys, see you later.
Oh my back.
Go on Kimberly of Saz video. Go and subscribe and like, comment down below, share Kimberly Osas video. Like, subscribe, comment down below guys, okay? I'm just here.
Mom. Mom.
Yeah, mama.
Can I have some? Yeah.
Okay guys, it's time for treats.
Good. Every animal. Instead of
Your treats.
Emily, when you.
we can go and Steven, they're down there. We can go after.
Alright guys, now we are at the park, okay? Follow us. And don't forget to like and subscribe guys, so you can get more notification and you can have more experience, have idea of where to take your kids to and where to play, okay? Okay guys, I'm not... Okay, here is the playground. You can come with your kids and family. Yeah.
Here?
And have fun, okay?
Right down and down the farm and the park. Bye. Kimberly says.
Okay, bye guys. Enjoy the view as she's going to play right now. Okay, bye guys. Do you need...
Okay, now I'm gonna go with something else. These are like monkey balls. Let's start from the bottom. These are not easy. 3, 2. I'm gonna. I'm gonna try
Alright guys, that's all for now. Like, subscribe, comment down below. KEF show at the park. If you like the video, you see more notification of Kimberly and the places she goes to play and everything, so you can go with your kids and have a nice time together. Okay, bye for now guys. Bye.